Good afternoon. We're out in St. Charles at Firethorne Apartments, a nice complex of 6 buildings with 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartments. We're out here on the balcony of one of the units, overlooking the pool and patio, which of course is closed for the year. Some of the trees are turning color, that's pretty nice. And we're going to do a little walkthrough of one of the apartments. As we look inside at the living room, you'll see it's a good size and even has a wood-burning fireplace. Very nice in the fall. As we walk towards the front entrance, which is here on the right, where we would normally come in, straight ahead is the separate laundry room with full-size washer-dryer and a place to hang everything up after you take it out. The next door here is the entry closet for coats. And now we're looking at the living room, looking down the other way. You'll notice that there are sprinklers throughout the apartment, a nice safety feature. We're going to turn to the right here and look into the kitchen and dining area. This is a good-sized dining area, room for a table for 4 or 6 people. And this is an upgraded unit with nice cabinetry, very nice counters, stainless steel appliances. And it has what everybody's looking for these days, disposal in the sink. At the end of the kitchen is a pantry, great place to put a lot of groceries and other supplies. And now we're back out in the kitchen and looking down the other way at the dining area and the counter space. As we walk around corner here, we're going to walk by the living room and down the hallway, and here we have the first bathroom. And again, you see the nice cabinet work that matches the kitchen. And here we have a tub and shower. Proceeding down the hallway again, the first door on the right is that wonderful invention called the linen closet, because you can never have too much space to store things. And now we're into the second bedroom. Lots of room for desk, bed, cabinets, and the nice thing is it has mirror doors. Nice view out the window. In the hallway we have the thermostat, central heat and central air, of course. We're now going into the master bedroom, 12 by 14, good size. Bring your king-size beds. Looking from the other corner, out the window, we see the pool and patio area again. And we're going to go to the master bath, which has again that nice-looking cabinetry, stand-up shower with a seat if you're feeling tired. And right next door here we have a good-sized walk-in closet. So this is Firethorne Apartments in St. Charles, 1350 Brook Street, very close to Randall Road and Main Street, just off Main Street on 15th. And we have 6 buildings of 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartments with a central courtyard and a central with a pool and patio area. Thanks for joining us. If you'd like to see the apartments, of course, give us a call. We're always happy to show.